Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to compare two decimal numbers. So let's say that you have 0.6 and 0.45 and you're trying to compare these two numbers. Now again, remember the symbols that we use to compare. We use this symbol here, which we read as less than. So again, the way to remember it is the one that looks like an L, so that's the reason why we read it as less than. This one, we read it as greater than, so that was a trick to remember this one. We read it as greater than. And this one, if the two numbers are equal to each other. So let's say that you have 0.6 and a 0.45 and you want to compare them. So what you want to do is you want to compare them digit by digit. So that means what? I'm going to look at the first digit here. I'm going to look at the first digit here. If they are equal to each other, I will move on to the next number. So I have 0 here and I have 0 here. Therefore, they're equal to each other. So I cannot really say if they're less than or greater than each other. So I move on to the next number. So we move on to 6 and 4. 6 with 4. So now can I compare them? Yes. What can I say about 6? Is 6 less than 4 or is 6 greater than 4? We know that 6 is greater than 4. And which symbol we're going to use for greater than? This symbol here. So that's the reason why 0.6 is greater than 0.45. So that's how you can compare these two decimal numbers. Let's take another example, a tricky one. Let's say that you have 2.504 with 2.054. So these numbers almost look identical. They almost look exactly the same. Again, let's put down the symbols that we use. Less than, greater than, and equal to. So less than, greater than, and then equal to here. So we will compare them digit by digit. So we look at the 2 here, we look at the 2. Can we compare them? No. Well, technically they're equal to each other, so whenever they're equal to each other, we move on to the next number. Look at the 5, and what's next here? It's a 0. Can I compare 5 and 0? Yes. What is 5? Is 5 less than 0? Is 5 or is 5 greater than 0? We know that 5 is greater than 0. Therefore, we will use this symbol here, greater than. Again, we can you see how we forgot about these numbers here at the end. Why? Because from here you could already see that the 5 was greater than the 0. So all the numbers after that decimal here, we literally do not care about them. So 2.504 is greater than 2.054. Thanks for watching and make sure you practice. Bye.